Python, if more than one of three things is true, return false. I'm writing a Django model that allows my site to have coupons. Coupons can have three types: lifetime account voucher, certain period of months voucher, certain number of dollars voucher. To keep things simple, I'm only allowing coupons to have one of the three possible values, i.e. a voucher can't be for $10 and 5 months. But I want to check when a coupon is being saved to ensure this rule is true. Currently I have. I know there's a better way to do this, but I'm not seeing it. Call it coder's block. Help is much appreciated. In case it matters, the three types are int, and bool.
One thing I've done in similar situations is this. It's now much easier to add new coupon types to check for in the future.
You could also use a list comp to filter false values. Or building off Rab's answer.
I think spreading this over a few lines is fine. This makes it easier to maintain if there were more attributes to test in the future. Using len or sum feels a bit too obfuscated.
Keep the quantity in a single field, and have the type be a separate field that uses choices.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.